Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today is video number XXX of me trying viral fashion hacks, but this time I asked you guys on Instagram to send me some of your favorite fashion or styling trendy viral hacks for me to try, and I got so many requests from you guys, and as usual I'm way too excited. ये मेरा काम है excited रहना. And you know, trying these hacks also make me learn few things. It's like it just sort of tells me things which I'm good at and things which I'm not good at, mostly things which I'm not good at. So आज हम पता लगाएंगे कि क्या मुझसे ये हो पाएगा, क्या हम ये कर पाएंगे. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first hack is this one, and this hack was actually sent by so many of you guys, so I was like, I have to take this one, I have to try it. And this looks pretty cool as well. So it's just like a slightly loose t-shirt, and then she does this. I'm like, we can create so many outfits. Like एक t-shirt में invest कर दो and you can create so many looks. That will save like so much time and you know space in your wardrobe. Let me find a t-shirt. I'm coming. Alright, so I have this t-shirt which was just lying around in my closet, and I also have a shoelace with me, black, so that it just matches. And I'm just gonna put it inside, and I'm just gonna tie it like so. Easy abhi tak. Ooh. Nice. I'm just gonna give it like a one more knot. This is fine. And then she tied the remaining ends from behind her neck like this. So we're gonna do the same thing because yeah, that's what we have to do. Wait, let me do it. This is nicely secured from the back as well and from here too. And then she did this. Wait, let me try. This worked. I'm pretty comfortable, I'm telling you, not gonna lie. This thing also looks nice. It makes it look like a bikini top. This is very, chic and sexy and a bit beach appropriate as well. Loving the vibe. And now I can create so many looks with just one t-shirt. ये बस ऐसे ही रखी रहती थी. I was not even wearing it from so long. Maybe now I will use it. This is looking so nice. And ये necklace भी बन गया है. I mean, this is also going, but this in itself is looking like it's going overall, and this is a pass for me. Alright, moving on. Next hack includes another shoelace hack. I guess you guys seem to be obsessed a little bit with shoe hacks these days, but I'm fine with it. I will get to learn new thing. Okay, so this is how it is. Pants too big? Try this. Okay. Okay. Do you guys know what? जो ऐसे that shoelace which was coming from her waist ना, that sort of gives like an illusion of ऐसे thong strap, which is like way too trendy these days. तो अगर वैसा illusion दे रहा है, so why not? Let's try it. First things first, I need a stool so that I can show you guys myself. Okay, wait, ये ज़्यादा हो गया. This much is fine. Okay, I also have shoelace with me. As you can see, this is like pretty. Oh, मैं गिर जाती है अभी. Pretty loose. So I'm just gonna open it just how she did. Wow, fancy. And I'm just gonna give it a twist from here and then just tie it from back. Woohoo! I'm loving this thing so much. I don't know मैं इसे publicly पहन के कहीं जा पाऊंगी या नहीं. Oh, मैं ये भी कर सकती थी. मुझे stool लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. Wow, Sonia, so smart. And then I'm just gonna tie it from here. Ah! And this is it. We're done. वैसे ये पता क्या लग रहा है, बहुत ही ऐसे वो बच्चों को जुगाड़ नहीं करते थे शादियों में and ऊपर कोट पहना देते हैं, किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. That situation is happening right now. This is looking like way too hot from here, not gonna lie, but obviously I cannot wear this thing in public, so maybe मैं इसके ऊपर कुछ पहनूँ, maybe like a jacket, and I will just cover myself completely, and then maybe it's fine. I'm ready. But वैसे this is working perfectly fine. बिल्कुल भी अब ऐसा मुझे feel नहीं हो रहा कि मैं jeans are too loose. It's nice and so hot. Also guys, today's video is possible by Plum, which is a 100% vegan and cruelty-free brand, and they have sent me their range of green tea products to try out for you guys to get that cello-like facial cleanup at home, because let's be honest guys, most of us have already started going out, and how can we forget that wedding season is also here. Okay, so to start with, I have Green Tea Gentle Revival Face Scrub, which provides gentle exfoliation, perfect for people like me with sensitive skin type, and it also helps in removal of excess oil and impurities to keep the skin fresh throughout the day. Next is using Green Tea Clear Face Mask, which helps in absorbing excess oil and kill that acne causing bacteria because of its green tea extracts. Now after leaving it on for 5 to 10 minutes, just rinse it off with normal water for that soft, healthy and brightening skin. And the last step is using Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, which gives balanced hydration without extra greasiness to the skin, as it has light and non-sticky formula which will hydrate your skin right away. These 3 steps is all you need to get that salon-like facial at home for clearer and fresh skin. Let me know your exfoliation routine as well in the comments down below. Also, I'm linking Plum's range of green tea products in description box down for you guys to check out, and you can also use my code for some extra discount, so do check out. Okay, moving on. Next hack. Easy hack to turn shorts into a crop top. Hope इसमें मुझे cutting and sewing ना करनी हो. Hopefully. Let's see. Okay. Really? That's it? It's basically just like a different way of wearing your shorts. Let me try. मैं ये नहीं हटाने वाली. मुझे लग रहा है ये fail होने वाला है. So I want to be safe. Okay guys, I have my shorts right over here. तो अभी इसको I have to flip it upside down. Like ये बहुत funny लग रहा है. It's okay. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Okay, so एक leg में से I'm gonna, put my arm. And इधर से I'm gonna put my arm and my head both. यार ये it's वैसे easily मुझे आ गया. ये क्या हो रहा है? ये pockets है guys. Nothing weird going on inside. It's just pocket. इसको थोड़ा मुझे this frill is looking cute. ये थोड़ा सा यहाँ weird हो रहा है just because of pockets. It's okay. Look at here. It's loose. तभी मैंने कहा था मैं अंदर, you have to be safe. And I'm just gonna tie it. Okay. यार ये बहुत पता है. Funny balloon top. I mean, वो टॉप बन गया है. No doubt in that. पर वो बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है मांग के पहना हुआ है. It's weird. और ये मेरे गले पे बहुत चिपक रहा है. It's like ऐसे ट्रेंड नहीं चल रहा रील पे, वैसे ही मुझे पुश कर रहा है. I have mixed पीछे से अच्छा लग रहा है. काश ये आगे से ऐसा दिख रहा होता. I have mixed feelings about it, but anyway ये बहुत easily I was able to manage. मैंने इसे अच्छे से पहन लिया, but I don't know. You guys tell me. Guys, fashion hacks try करने के चक्कर में मैं कैसे दिख रही थी और अब मैं कैसी दिख रही हूँ. Anyway, let's move on to the next hack. Okay, fashion hacks that will save your outfit. ठीक है, हमें यही चाहिए. यार ये मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है. मेरी जिप पता नहीं क्यों खुली है. So weird. मैं कहीं और चली गई हूँ. Anyway, this looks fun. Okay, तो मुझे की रिंग का वो निकालना है. Okay, मुझे टाइम लगेगा considering I have these nails. Give me 1 minute. ये खुला ही रहता है. ये नीचे हो जाता है. I guess ये प्रॉब्लम सबको आती ही है. So I have this thing. इसको खोल के I just have to put it here. मुझे लग रहा है कि ये जीन्स जो है ना, ये इतनी ज़्यादा वर्थलेस है. सारे हैक्स इसी में कर देंगे आज हम. इसको हम बाहर फाइनली पहन के शायद कभी जा पाएँ. बेसिकली इस जीन्स के लिए मैंने ये पूरी वीडियो बनाई है, ऐसा लग रहा है अब. ओके, सो दिस इज़ डन. कितना फ़नी लग रहा है. ओके, आई जस्ट हैव टू क्लोज द जिप एंड इसको बटन के ऊपर रखना है. इस बेचारे बटन पे इतना प्रेशर है ना. इस पे ये भी है, अब ये भी आ गया, प्लस इसे स्पेस चाहिए बंद भी होने का. ओ हो गया. एंड एंड दिस इज इट. वो हाँ, ये बिल्कुल ऊपर है, अभी नीचे नहीं आएगा. ओहो, एंड वो दिख भी नहीं रहा है. कहाँ था ये हैक? इतनी एम्बैरेस हुई हूँ मैं पब्लिक में जा जाके. फाइनली आई कैन सेव माई सेल्फ नाउ. I guess I need to change this. अब ये हो गया, मैं थक गई हूँ अपने आप को ऐसे देख के. अब थोड़ा relax feel हो रहा है guys. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so moving on. Easy tank top hack. Woohoo, always up for them. Okay. यार ये सही है यार. तुमने ना आई वांट टू लाइक टेक अ मोमेंट एंड थैंक यू गाइस बिकॉज तुमने ना बहुत ही ऐसे मस्त वाले हैक्स भेजे हैं ना. बिकॉज व्हेनेवर आई फाइंड हैक्स ना सो आई जस्ट मेक इट मोर डिफिकल्ट फॉर माई सेल्फ. बट तुमने इतने ईजी एंड डूएबल अचीवेबल और इतने स्टाइलिश हैक्स भेजे. आई एम लाइक वो गुड जॉब गाइस. थैंक्स फॉर मेकिंग मी ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स एंड दैट टू विच आर एक्चुअली हेल्पफुल. बट अभी ये वाला ट्राई करके देखते हैं. Okay, so I have this tank top which I recently got. Everyone knows the story behind this tank top, so we're not gonna discuss it. Okay, this is it, and now I just have to remove one arm of mine. I have to give it a twist like so and put my arm from here. Something. And इसे थोड़ा सा adjust करना है. Yeah, I guess this is not the right tank top. Okay, so now I have worn this ulta backside front manner mein, and now I'm gonna remove my arm and I'm gonna give it a twist and then put my arm back and then maybe it will work. Hopefully, ऐसे मुझे उम्मीद है. The last time why it was not working according to me was maybe because of the knot, this thing. But this is looking nice. I know मेरा पूरा inner wear दिख रहा है. And yeah, I guess ये थोड़ा I have to choose like a different variety of tank top for this. थोड़ा loose and थोड़ा और बड़ा so that I'll be more comfortable. But अभी this is also working ना. ऐसा लग रहा है this is like a whole top all together. ऐसे stitched है, इसके साथ ऐसे ही आया बन के. ये भी मस्त लग रहा है वैसे. But yeah, choose like a bigger material. Maybe that will work. Okay, next one. Style your loose tee in different ways. Okay. Oh, what? इतना quick? Wait, मुझे दोबारा देखना पड़ेगा. इतनी जल्दी कोई हैक हो सकता है? हाँ, अब लग रहा है देख. Oh, मस्त कितना लग रहा है. Just summer ready साथ में हो रहे हैं. Let's try it. Oh, okay. I have this huge t-shirt, super oversized. Now I'm just gonna take all the material in the front like this and इसको अभी inner wear को हम बाद में ठीक करेंगे. इसको अंदर करना है like this. It's so difficult. Our chest area must be thinking कि हमारे साथ इतना क्यों करते हैं. हर चीज़ यहाँ टक कर दो, वहाँ टक कर दो. कितना प्रॉब्लम होता है इन्हें. But anyway, let's try it. If I'll be comfortable or not. Guys, I just realized that you do not have to take the entire thing from your inner or your bra. You can just do this from inside the t-shirt itself. Yes, we are breathing again. यार ये बहुत सही लग रहा है. This is looking nice, but it's like way messy from here. Like unless and until you're able to fix this, but at the same time, if you're wearing this to a party or somewhere, I mean, they will know what kachra you have done in the front side. It's not looking elegant. It's not looking, clean. But वैसे दूर से, if I'll click a picture, it is looking nice. But in real life, if I'm meeting someone, I don't know. Now that we have tried so many hacks from you guys, I also have one of my hacks, like a surprise hack, which we'll see together first. Okay, this is such a good idea. ये बार I was seeing this all over my Instagram feed, so we're not gonna try it. I'm just gonna like show it to you guys that yes, ow, many earrings. And guys, this is how it looks like. Oh my god, this works like crazy, and it is so lightweight. Oh my god, look from the back also. Oh. This is like so beach perfect, or like जल्दी में सुबह ऐसे तुम्हें कोई ऐसे ब्रालेट बनानी हो. Oh, this is so nice. I'm so happy about it. Where was this hack all my life? I mix match two of my panties and वो बहुत मस्त ऐसा इफेक्ट आ रहा है थोड़ा सा. So happy. हट जा मन्नी, हट जा, हट जा, हट जा, हट जा. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. I had so much fun making these kind of videos for you all, and thanks for sending me so many suggestions, good suggestions. सच में सारे mostly work करे, and yeah, we all learned something out of it. मुझे तो बहुत ही मज़ा आया, and let me know which one was your favorite, and if you have any more hacks, please feel free to share it with me. DM कर दो मुझे या tag कर दो, मैं सब देख लूँगी और मैं सब देख लेती हूँ. Don't worry about it. And give this video a like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. मनी हट जा.